Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to shoot a cooking video. First, find a bright spot in your kitchen, preferably near a window for beautiful natural light. Next, set up your camera on a sturdy tripod to avoid shaky footage. A stable shot is crucial for a professional look. Finally, clear your workspace of any distractions. A clean background helps your delicious food truly stand out and keeps your viewers engaged throughout the entire process. To make your cooking video visually engaging, experiment with different camera angles. A top-down shot, often called a bird's eye view, works wonderfully for showing ingredients being prepped or the final plating. Then, switch to an eye-level perspective for actions like stirring a sauce or pouring a liquid. This gives viewers a more intimate look at the cooking process. Varying your shots keeps the video dynamic and prevents it from feeling static. Good lighting and clear audio are paramount for a high-quality cooking video. If natural light isn't enough, use a softbox or diffuser to create gentle, even illumination, avoiding harsh shadows that can obscure details. For audio, an external microphone, even a simple lavalier mic, will significantly improve sound clarity over your camera's built-in mic. Always try to record in a quiet environment to minimize distracting background noises, ensuring your instructions are heard clearly. Once you've captured all your footage, the magic happens in editing. Trim unnecessary pauses and speed up repetitive actions to keep your video flowing smoothly. Aim for a total video length of between 3 and 10 minutes for most recipes. Consider adding upbeat, royalty-free background music to enhance the viewer's experience. Finally, use text overlays for important details like ingredient quantities or specific cooking temperatures, making your recipe easy to follow and replicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.